In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Gann Box on MetaTrader 5. The Gann Box is a powerful tool for analyzing both price and time on your charts. It's often used to identify potential support and resistance levels, as well as important timing zones where the market might react. Even if you're new to Gann tools, don't worry. I'll walk you through the process slowly and clearly so you can start using it with confidence. First, make sure you have MetaTrader 5 open and that you're looking at the chart where you want to apply the Gann Box. You can use any time frame or instrument, such as forex pairs, indices, commodities, or stocks. It's usually best to zoom in or out until you can clearly see the price move you want to analyze, like a recent swing high to swing low, or a major trend. To access the Gann Box, move your mouse to the top menu bar. At the top of the screen, click on Insert. This menu is where MetaTrader keeps most of its drawing tools and indicators. When the Insert menu opens, hover your mouse over Objects. A side menu will appear with different categories of tools. From this list, move your cursor to the Gann category. This is the section that contains all the Gann-related tools, such as Gann fans and Gann grids. When you hover over Gann, another small menu will open. In that menu, click on Gann Box. Your cursor will now change, indicating that the Gann Box tool is active and ready to be placed on the chart. To draw it, move your cursor to the starting point on the chart. Typically, you would choose a significant low or high in the market. Click once to anchor the first corner of the box. Then, drag your mouse diagonally to define the size of the box, and click again to set the opposite corner. You should now see the Gann Box on your chart, divided into vertical and horizontal segments. The horizontal divisions relate to price levels, and the vertical divisions relate to time. Many traders use these lines to anticipate where the price might stall, reverse, or accelerate. If you need to adjust it, you can click on the edges or corners of the box and drag to resize or reposition it. You can also right-click on the Gann Box and open its properties to change colors, levels, or other visual settings, so it's easier to see on your chart and matches your trading style. That's all you need to start using the Gann Box on MetaTrader 5.